The popular comedian when they call Ada Jesus don kpai. Better country people, I salute una. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening for inside this our ogbonge news track when e be say we dey track tori when e be say dey shele for inside we country and around the world to come give una. My name na Stanley Eropadame. Na me wan knack una the tori when e be say e don hit ground for this time. The popular comedian when im name be Ginika Cynthia Mercy Nnadi, when people mostly dey call Ada Jesus, don kpai. She kpai just 2 days when e be say she take celebration her 23rd birthday for inside one sick bed for inside one hospital when e be say dem no talk im name for inside Abuja. The popular comedian bin don dey suffer for kidney wahala. And this one na one man when e be say e dey take care of am when im name be Harrison Gamisu come yarn come out for im Instagram page when e for knack am come out say thank you for everybody, make Mercy name Soma Nnadi rest in the power. E come see right join say at Ada Jesus comedy. When our tori person come talk to am, he come confirmate the tori say the comedian kpai for 15 minutes na e take run comot for 7 o'clock in the morning for Wednesday. For im mouth as im take yarn our tori person the tori, im yarn say yes na true, say yes, say Ada Jesus don kpai. The thing shele this morning for 15 minutes na e take run comot for 7 o'clock. And I dey for the hospital by the time when she take kpai. Yesterday evening she dey very strong and she come dey happy and come dey still dey laugh with us. She celebrate her birthday for 2 days when e just waka pass. We buy cake and drink for her and she come dey happy and everybody too when e dey with her celebrate with her cause e dey happy. Yesterday evening as she still dey happy and I wan come comot go house, she come tell me say make I no go, but I come tell am lie say I wan go call doctor, and na so I take on comot for the hospital. Na for inside 11 o'clock for night na your husband come call me say dem wan give am one injection when e be say dem need gbogiri when e be 50,000 gbogiri, but dem no come get the money, so na I come do transfer come go give dem. After she don get the injection, dem say her breathing come change and e come dey bad, and that come make me comot for where I dey for 15 minutes night dey run comot for 12 o'clock. I come run go there for the hospital. So as I dey there with the with them, na there the doctors come give Ada Jesus oxygen to make sure say she go come fit dey breathe wella. Now 30 minutes night dey run pass 1 o'clock, na dem come take carry am comot goes for inside the place wey dem dey call intensive care unit where dem come keep am. But na this morning na dem come tell us say she don really kpai, and the doctor when e dey for duty come confirmate am. Before she begin dey sick, Ada Jesus bin don accusation some many people when e be say big actress Rita Edochie and one big Anambra State prophet when im name be Chukwuemeka Odumijeje say dem dey do some wayo and GBT. Ada Jesus yarn that time say prophet Odumijeje dey arrange with Rita Edochie to take dey carry dey do fake miracle. She come still talks that time say she dey help Rita Edochie to take dey get men when e be say dem dey mugbesegbe with am. Because of all these accusations, so na e come make Edochie and Odumijeje come be yarn say dem no go ever forgive the comedian for life. But the cause change mind when e be say the comedian come dey sick. For Rita Edochie side, she come say she don forgive the comedian from inside her mind and come still use the opportunity to take one people wey be say dem dey cuss and dey talk about men of God anyhow. For Odumejeje side, he come say he don still forgive the comedian and he come carry 1 million naira kpogri give the comedian mama for treatment, but this one the comedian mama no come gree carry. As the tori for the kpai of the comedian come out for inside Naija, different Naija people come run go the Instagram page of the comedian where they come go dey yarn how dem dey feel concerning the tori when e be say dem hear. So we bring to una 5 things when e be say maybe una no know about the late comedian when they dey called Ada Jesus. Now the first one be say Ada Jesus dem born am for Imo State, and na February 19 for inside 1998 na im dey for born am, and na from Olu when e dey for inside Imo State na she for come from. So by that age now e mean say she dey 23 years this year, and she be the 3rd pikin when e be say her papa and mama born. She don marry and she get 1 pikin. Na 2018 na she marry for inside the age of 90 years, and the marriage come produce 1 pikin. She be model before. Ada Jesus attend Imo State University, and when she come graduate she come enter modeling, where she come begin dey waka about dey look for where dem go take am to come act one drama or the other. Then she come start comedy for 2018, and this comedy na come make people come know am for everywhere when e be say she dey do am for Instagram and for inside YouTube. Ada Jesus dey do her comedy for the Igbo language, na she take dey do the comedy. Country people, this kpai of Ada Jesus na one big loss for the comedy industry for inside Naija and even for Naija people. We for inside Coastal TV News 24 pray say make God receive her soul as she take reach there and still give am kulele place when e be say she go stay. Country people, na that one be the tori when be say we don track give una for inside our news track for Coastal TV News 24. We wan thank una for the time when e be say una don take dey watch us and listen to us since, and we wan still beg una say make una like, make una share and make una comment for this new tori when we carry come give una. We still beg una say make una subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be Coastal TV News 24 for YouTube, and once una subscribe make una touch am with una finger the notification bell so that una go continue to get all tori anytime we knack am give una. Until the next new tori wey be say we go carry come give una sake of the one we go track that time, my name na Stanley Eropadame for Coastal TV News 24. I salute una plenty.